All right, gang. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Good Father's Day to all the dads out there watching the stream. So let's dive right in. Today we had a pretty good day, New York session. As a matter of fact, caught a couple of moves to the downside on gold this morning. So congratulations to those who were able to catch that move. And let's take a look. Let's take a look where we're at. Let's dive into the monthly time frame. Let's take a look where we're at here. All right. All right, so on the monthly time frame, as you already know, this was the level that was broken, the highs right here. Let's move this up a little bit right about here. All right, so once we broke out of here, we came down, retested, and then we kind of like pushed up, but we've been rejecting from this high here. Then we try to make a move up, didn't quite take out the highs in the monthly, and now we're somewhat flipping. And once we started the month strong, and now we're kind of flipping. So expecting the monthly to kind of take out its low here. If it breaks the low, keeping in mind in my previous analysis, this current monthly here has no bottom wick. So it's possible we might see a move down here, retest here before we get a move up. But that's off the monthly. But it's possible that if we do reflip bullish and take out the highs, then this thing can drive up. All right, let's take a look at the weekly here. And again, on the weekly, taking a look at this, I have marked this up. Let's mark the highs up here and our lows. Last week, we did close below this support level here 2 weeks ago, and then last week, we kind of came up and closed back in the range. But now this current weekly candle did drive down initially. Now it's kind of pulling up. Has no top wick, so it's possible this thing can come up and take out the highs of the previous week. Let's see if we do take out those highs. I mean, it's possible this thing can push up, but on the smaller time frames, there's a couple of resistance levels that I'm keeping an eye on, unless this thing is going to continue to drive down and take out the lows here. So being that this is there, I could mark the lows right here. So these are the new lows right here off the weekly. I am expecting a top wick at some point, though. I don't know if this thing is going to drive down, but let's see. But off the weekly, we could see some more bearish movement, but this thing might want to try to flip up, make a top wick. All right, moving it down to the daily. Again, same move here. Got like that double top, head and shoulders pattern here. Came down, took out, failed to take out these lows, but we took out this support level here. So we do have this support level that we have not broken yet, but we're very close to it. So I would think a break of these lows right here would give us the drive down to this range right here. So if we do break the lows, we can see gold target this range down here. So that's what we can expect if we do break below. Previous daily did close bearish, but no top wick. So we might see a push up, make a top wick for this daily candle, and then the flip down. So that's possible as well off the daily, going into the 4 hour, right? So we start breaking it down. This is what I was able to look at, using a trend line for resistance here. This is how I would draw it up on the 4 hours. So we take it from the high, just like this, right off the top there. So it's possible that we can see a move to the upside here. Up. So we might want to take out these highs right here. Let me mark this first. Hold on a second. I want to give myself a level, right? So you see how this horizontal resistance kind of taps into this, down trend line here for resistance. But let's see, what I could expect is if we can come back and retest this level around 23.37.38. If we do break above, we might, tap into that 23.50 level before we see a drive down. So we could see something like this, right? And then the push back down, and hence will make the that top wick that we need on the weekly, make the top wick for the previous daily as well, and then we get the drive down. But if this level holds and we get rejected down, once we break the lows here, this support level here, we should see a continuation to the downside from there. So that's the expectation, but levels have to break. If we don't break those levels, then more likely than not, we're either going to range here, but if we do break above 2338, we could see that trend line tested here and then get the drive down. That's possible. All right, guys, so that's where we're at right now. So I'm actually going to leave those, I'll leave that there because I want to, we're trading off those levels at the moment anyway. All right, so now zooming in, this is our range right here. That's our resistance level at the moment. This is our support level. We have another support level here. Right there. So this is our support level off the 4 hour. We have this push up, no bottom wick. Let's see if we're going to push up, retest here and come down, or are we going to flip to make this bottom wick and break the lows? If we break these 4 hour lows, we should drive down to the bottom of the range, and then we'll see what's going to happen down here. Take a look at the NASDAQ real quick. Let's take a look at NASDAQ and see what we're doing over there. Didn't look at it all week. Let's see. Yeah, we're still driving. I remember marking up this range. You see how he had these levels marked up? Then we had this support level formed here once we broke out of it. And look at this thing, it's just pumping. No bottom wick here, no bottom wick here. I mean, no bottom wick all the way down here. Eventually, this thing is it's probably overbought. I don't have my RSI up, but it's definitely pumping. So, hey, this thing could push up a lot further. As a matter of fact, I think Apple, let me see. I think Apple released some new information. Yeah, look at that. Look at that drive on Apple. Big gap to fill down here, but this thing is driving. Look at that. So, yeah. Apple had a pretty good day. Pretty good day. I think that's what's helping NAS stay up, to be honest with you. All right, so this is our range here on the 4 hour time frame. So now we just wait. Guys, if you're tuning in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you're watching the stream, support the channel. We didn't have much news today. What did we have? Let's see. I get my news from Forex Factory. For you guys who are asking, forexfactory.com. Get the calendar, and it gives you all the news on the dollar and all the currency pairs and all that stuff. Yeah, we got news tomorrow, 8:30. 8:30. Yeah, core retail sales and retail sales month to month. Yeah, we have an orange folder at 9:15. But that's about it. It's pretty much a slow day tomorrow. So, you know, other than that, the retail sales at 8:30. That's all we got pretty much for tomorrow. So we should be good. Should be good. Wednesday's a bank holiday, so markets. I think they're gonna be moving. The markets are gonna run to Wednesday, but I think it's like a half day or something. They'll close early. Thursday. What do we have Thursday? Big news on GBP. That's early though, 7 a.m. Eastern time. We have unemployment claims 8:30, and oh yeah, the Philly Fed manufacturing at 8:30 as well. So that's 8:30 Thursday. And Friday we have flash manufacturing PMI. Yeah, so flash services PMI, but that's at 9:45. Yeah, so you know, it'll pick up later in the week, but I would say tomorrow, other than that, those ref folders at 8:30, we have a pretty light day tomorrow. All right. So let's be patient and wait. As you guys already know, if you've been watching my streams during Asia, we usually get, you know, the bulk of the volume probably around that, closer to 9 p.m. or right after 9 p.m. That'll also be the new 4-hour candle as well. So let's be patient. Let's see. You know, we're right around this support level here. You know, if we do get a break and re-break the 4-hour lows here, we could see a drive down to this level down here, which is about that 22.92, 93. Yeah, right around this low here. So yeah, we'll see. This 4-hour candle has no bottom wick, and that's all from last week. So let's be patient and wait. Yeah, we caught this move to the downside here. We caught that hard move down. Then I think we caught this. Was it? No, wait. Yeah, this was around the time we caught it. We caught the move down here off the bottom, even though it pushed back up and worked us out on our runner. Then we caught the second sell all the way down that ran about 75 pips, then pull back up as well. We had a pretty good day though. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for this 4 hour closure here. Another 40 minutes or so. Currently, 4 hour has no bottom wick pushed up. We're kind of starting to try to reverse that. See, this candle's gonna flip, give us a bottom wick. Then we can see what we can do with the next candle. Not much happening right now, guys. Like I said, we got 38 minutes of this candle closure. Everything's kind of ranging, even though this thing kind of started trickling up. How's the 30-minute looking? Yeah, not much going on here either. Just be patient. It'll start moving some in a little bit. Let's just wait it out here. Looking at this, there's no top wick on this 4-hour here. Let's see if this is where we're gonna get that retest when it comes up to make a top wick here. We're gonna get a push up, tap that level, and then if that level can hold there, we can catch that celery play down, or the onion play, I should say. Catch that back down. The waiting game now, guys. That's all we're doing. We're just waiting patiently for an opportunity. If it arises, we take it. If not, we'll wait till tomorrow. Here, like if I would have taken something here, for example, see how we so we formed this support. We got the big top wick, we got the drive down, we came back up and kind of closed here, and then this candle started pushing down, flipped up, and then closed above. So now forming that support here on the 4-hour. Now if I would have considered, let's say, a buy at a market open, I would have needed a bottom wick here in that case, right? So the candle opens and it makes a bottom wick first, comes down. Once it flips up and breaks the high, I would have gotten in. Our entry would have been here, assuming I would have taken that trade. But it did push up, but it didn't push up much. What did it push up? Let's see. From the high. Yeah, about 22 pips. Not that big a move, but that would have been the way I would have played that once it formed this support here. But we got no bottom wick, so It can drive up all it wants. I'll be keeping an eye on these 1 hour highs here on this resistance here on the 1 hour. If we break that and close above that range, we might come up here and make a top wick on this candle here, which is probably probably be the wick for this candle here as well. We'll see. 32 minutes left on this candle, so I want to wait for the 4 hour closure. That way, if we, just to give you guys like something to, be prepared for, I would say, we don't have a bottom wick here. If we do close like this on the new 4 hour candle, if we rip up, right, and continue without a bottom wick, I would probably wait for it to tap this high here, and I will probably look for a wick entry to catch the wave back down, and then our stops would probably be right above these wicks up here, or maybe even this resistance level here, because in case it breaks up and wants to make the top wick here, come up, make the top wick, and then we get the flip. We could look for pineapples up here as well. I would consider a move like that, managing risk, of course. We won't over leverage and all that, but I think that if we do close like this and then the next candle initially rips up, now we are closing bullish. If the next candle comes, let's say taps this level right around this range and then flips up at the break of the highs, we get in on the buy up here. So that would be the play I would be looking for, but we have to wait for this candle to close, and that's going to be in 30 minutes. So hang tight, guys, for another half hour, and we'll make our move if we get an opportunity. All right, gang, I'll be right back. I'll be back before that candle closure. So just hang tight. We're waiting for the 4 hour close, all right? All right, gang, I'm back. We still got about 19 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, the gold is pumping up. Gold is pumping up. Haven't missed anything yet, guys. Haven't missed out on anything. No FOMO here. Let's wait for candles to print. Let's wait for candles to close, and we'll make our move. Let me take a look at that 1 hour. Did it break that resistance? Ooh, let me mark this here. Looks like it's trying to. Let me mark that level just in case. We're getting a nice bullish move here. Again, right? No bottom wick here. Let me see if we close above here. Maybe, yeah. I mean, I could wait for a bottom wick, and then on the flip, at the break of the highs, we could get in, or we could probably try to catch a wick entry. Let the flip up, but we'll see. No bottom wick down here either in this support level. So. Give me another second, chat. Let me go grab something. All right, gang. Looks like it's respecting this 1 hour resistance. So right here. Well, we got 5 minutes or so. This candle closes. Let's see. Yeah, we got 2 minutes. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right. Close respecting that 1 hour resistance here. There we go. And let's see. I'm gonna come down, make a bottom wick, and then flip. Open bullish. Oh, he's making the top wick first. Okay. Oh. Making that top wick first. Look at that bottom wick here. Get a steeper wick. I have buy stops at the break of the highs here. Yep. I want to get a steeper wick though. This might drive down here. It might come down, make this bottom wick here for this candle here. Then if it does flip bullish, then we can take the entry at the break of the highs. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here, guys. I'll set this up here, right there. My stops will be right down here. I'm looking for the range fill at the top here. All right. Yeah, that's my entry, 2326.30. And stops will be down here about 2318.6. I'll say 60. All right. Take that. Yeah. All right. Got my buy stop set there. Let's see what it does now. Getting that off. Wow. Yeah, so our entry is gonna be when the 4 hour flips. Now that it came down, made a bottom wick. If we reflip and break the highs, will get us in that trade there. And then once we break these highs here, once we go up about, I would say about 30 pips, we can look for taking partials. And this thing, it could push down and make the bottom wick and then flip up. I'll wait. But if we come down and close below this support level here, it's on the 1 hour. Yeah, we come down and close below here on the 1 hour. I'll delete the buy stops. This thing could come down, just retap this level and flip. I'm banking on the flip. If we do flip and break the highs, we should drive up. Now, I'm not taking the wick entry. All these bottom wicks here. It's possible this thing can want to come and tap this level, make the bottom wicks for these candles here. We have 3 candles and no bottom wicks. It's possible, unless this was it here, and then we get the flip. If we flip and take out the highs, we're going to push up. But let's be patient and wait and see what happens. If it drives down and closes below this level, then we delete the buy stops. we do end up closing below this level here, we got a lot of range to come down. So you can delete the buy stops and look for an opportunity to come down and sell. But let's see. I'm still banking on this coming down, making the bottom wick for this candle, and then take the flip, the re-break of the highs. We'll be in there. All right. We could take a wick entry once we come down and create this bottom wick. You know, it's a little riskier to take that wick entry from around this level here. Once we create the bottom wick here, then catch the flip. But the thing is, this thing can push down and break below this level here. Yeah, the bottom wick for this candle. It's coming down. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't need much to make this bottom wick. Let's see. It'll be good if it just taps the level here. Then we get the flip. I would have wanted to tap here. Once it tested there, and then get the rejection up, and then the flip. It went perfect. It's good. We made this bottom wick. Didn't make one for these two candles though. Yeah, we didn't make that for that 4 hour. Yeah, we came close, but not close enough. It's all good though. Come down, make this wick. If we get the 4 hour flip, break of the highs, we're in. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna flip. I'll wait till the 10 o'clock. If it doesn't flip by the 1 hour close, I'll call it a stream. I will leave the buy stop pending for my signal platform, but if not, or depending how the candles print, then I'll also consider deleting the buy stop. It looks like the 1 hour is starting to flip. Let's see. Let's see if we get that push. 30 minutes left on this candle, guys. We're gonna flip, or we're gonna push down. with the 4 hour candle. Keep an eye on the 4 hour here in the next 30 minutes. This could have been the bottom wave for the 4 hour. We're gonna get the flip. If this 4 hour, now that it made this bottom wick, if it flips and breaks this high and it flips, there's no reason why it should come back to re-break its own low here. So our stops would be good here where they are. Once we break the highs and get activated, once we start pushing up, we can look to manage risk and move our stops to break even and so on. But the candle has to flip and take the highs out. So this thing doesn't flip and it pushes back down, then it is what it is. And again, we can delete the buy stop. No harm, no foul. But if this candle flips, we'll be good to go, I would assume. Wow. It's been a long day, guys. Long day. All right, 23 minutes. Let's see if we're gonna get this flip. Um, we, I mean, I would expect it to tap this level. I thought it was gonna come down a lot faster, tap this level and get the flip. But taking a little while. 4 hours candle still young though, so this thing can come down, tap, and then flip in the next couple of hours. But I won't wait that long. I wanted to see if we can get it done on this 1 hour, get the 1 hour flip, but looks like wants to push down a little further. All right, we came back down, kind of tapped the lows again. Now we're kind of slightly pushing back up. Let's see if we're gonna get that flip. That's what I'm waiting on. 21 minutes. That's plenty of time for this candle to flip. This is the, to me, probably the time where we get the most amount of volume during the Asia session. So let's see if that volume can kick in and push us up and activate us and put us in the blue. Now it looks like we're trying to flip. Let's go gold. Push us up. Push us up. Yeah, this 1 hour is just stalling here. Let's see. Looks like it's trying to push up. Made a nice bottom wick. I want that flip. No flip, no trade. Might be respecting this level. So this level I marked up, this resistance level here got respected, and this thing can close bearish and then continue to push down. That's possible too. All right, let's see what happens the next 15 minutes or so, and if we don't get activated, what I'll do, I'll just delete the buy stop and call it a night, and we'll get back at it tomorrow. Trying to flip. See how it looks on the 4 hour. Yeah. Alright, so it's a nice bottom wick, but need that flip. Yeah, we got 15 minutes left on this candle. I'll wait till then and see what happens. Otherwise, we're pretty much done for the night. Almost there, guys. Just a little more. Come on, go. I don't know. 12 minutes left. All right, we got about 10 minutes left. It's looking like it doesn't want to flip. I don't know if we're gonna get that flip in about 10 minutes. It can happen, but it looks like it's gonna be highly unlikely. Yeah, chat doesn't seem like it's gonna be enough volume here to push this up here. Yeah, it would have been a nice move up because once we break above this level here, you know, we got clean range to the top here, at least 23.34. But this resistance form here might hold. 5 minutes left to the candle. Will you flip in the last 5 minutes? Let's see. It's possible. Anything's possible. Yeah, after coming down, um, making this bottom wick, we flipped up pretty nicely. I mean, left a decent bottom wick, but just not enough to get us above. Looks like that's where it's gonna remain. I think it's gonna remain below this level, from what it seems. All right, less than 2 minutes, chat. Let's see. Are we gonna flip or what? Yeah, chat. We got about 35 seconds or so left on this candle. It's not. I don't think it's gonna happen. Yeah, 20 seconds left. All right, I'm gonna delete the buy stops. Buy stops deleted. Get rid of that for now. Yeah, gang, we came up, respected this. If this would have closed above, would have been a different story as well. But even though this one came up and failed to break the previous high, I had that buy stop there, anticipating the bottom wick and the flip. Now, that's off the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, you can see we already made this bottom wick here, right? The 4 hour can still flip. There's still about 3 hours left on this candle, so it's very new candle, plenty of time left. This 4 hour can still flip, break the highs, and drive up. But like I said, I'm not staying on stream that long to watch that develop. So I'll call it a night here, guys. With that said, tomorrow, I usually stream the Asia session, but I will be streaming tomorrow morning for the New York session, just for a couple hours. Got a couple things I need to do, so I'll probably get on early, maybe 7:30, 7:45 Eastern time. I'll probably stay on till just after the opening bell, so maybe till like 9:45 or so. I gotta get out of here by clock. So, guys, again, thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks a lot for joining. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning for New York session. All right, everyone, have a good night. Peace.